What's happening, guys? This is Raul TV, Team R for UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, and we're back again with a nice little easy top tip for you guys. 2018 Toyota Avensis here. It's a diesel one. I think it's pretty much same on the petrol as well. We're going to go ahead and reset the oil maintenance. Okay, dead easy. It takes about 10 seconds, but make sure you change the oil. I've just done the oil change on this one. Check my video out on how to replace, and pretty much same on all cars. So yeah, let's go ahead and reset it. Right, so there it is, Toyota Avensis 2018. Okay, so what we need to do is we're going to go to this side here, okay, and we're going to press the trip button, okay, press and hold that one and turn the ignition on at the same time, okay. And you need 3 hands to show you basically, so press and hold the trip, okay. We're going to press and hold that and turn the ignition on, okay. I mean, when you press and hold it and turn the ignition on, what's going to happen is you're going to have a little countdown of little lines. When it gets to 0, I mean basically when it all disappears, that means it's been reset. Okay, so I'm pressing the trip button and I'm going to turn the ignition on. Boom, there we go. Done and dusted. Takes 10 seconds. Happy days. Well, that's it, guys. That's how we reset it. Dead easy. The thing is, make sure you do an oil change, okay? Newish car, you don't want to mess it up. You just don't want to reset it for the fun of it. When the oil maintenance sign comes up, don't reset it. Make sure you do an oil change. Anyway, guys, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it doesn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Peace and blessings, Raul TV. Trying to help you guys out. All I'm going to say is like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section, and Raul TV will see you guys soon.